Hi everyone, welcome to Posh Glams. Today we will achieve flawless green smoky eye makeup look. Start by priming your eyelids and then use a matte green eyeshadow as your base color and apply it all over your eyelids. To add some shimmer, apply a metallic green eyeshadow to the center of your eyelids and blend it outwards. Use a black eyeshadow or eyeliner to create a smoky effect by applying it along the upper and lower lash line. Finish off the look with a few coats of black mascara to make your lashes stand out, and don't forget to apply a foundation that matches your skin tone. Apply the contour shade to the hollows of your cheeks, along the jawline, and on the sides of your nose to sculpt and define your features. When it comes to concealer, choose a shade that is one or two shades lighter than your natural skin tone to brighten and highlight the under eye area. Avoid creating harsh lines or overfilling your eyebrows. Aim for a natural and balanced look. By pairing nude lips with smoky eyes, you can achieve a sophisticated and versatile makeup look that is perfect for various occasions. If you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.